Aria, cheese. Okay, let's go. I don't want to cheese for me. She just woke up. Party, party. Party, party. Look at Liam. Liam ate this thing all over his clothes. What was it called? What? Not watermelon. Cucumber, yes. Yeah, 30 degrees.
No.
It's so hot.
Mommy, can you I want to slap a vision there.
But you have already, Heaven.
Pencils.
Heavenly, you have already. What?
Let's go this way.
So, Richard, do you like this bag even?
No.
Why? But you like it before.
I like this and this and
That is not a bag for school.
dog.
Not for this. Not for this
But not.
grade.
But not.
Not for this age. For like Ashley's age. Yes.
Yes.
Ashley said he wants something like this.
But only and bigger.
Schatz, is this not what Ashley said he wants?
Something like that.
Okay, tell me, why did he not follow us now? We could just buy it here. So I have to call him on a video call. Because that is the bag he said this is like the bag he said he want for the next, no, I don't know. I have to call him on a video call. But this one looks so beautiful and so small for Richard. It's not too big. So this is the one we're planning to get for him.
Mommy, but I want this pencil.
So they have a new address and we are trying to locate the new address. So Richard came for what's it called? Tell me here therapy. And that was how we saw it. There was a time I brought Richard here alone for therapy, and then we were walking and we saw it. So we saw the bag shop and we said, oh, this is what we are going to get now. So now, yes. Oh, I forgot to remove my ear set. I was editing and I had it on my ear. Oh, Liam needed a cap. We were passing by the car, and I quickly went inside the car to get Liam a cap. What are you laughing for?
Let me start to me.
That's you finally locate the shop. What are you laughing for?
So many things inside. Yeah.
Hey, Heavenly, I'm not coming here for you. I'm coming here for Richard that is going to school. So, mind your time. Mind your area. You're not going to school. Yo, bro. Yeah, bro. Look at that. Area, finger back. All of you. Yeah, get your hands off. We have to call Ashley to see what he wants.
What?
Is this even, what kind of bag was he telling you?
Backpack. That was all.
This is a backpack, ne?
It's a backpack.
So, hey, young lady and young man, get your hands off. Come here. Richard, come here. The reason why we're here. Hello. Okay, Richard, there we go. Richard. Da. Ta-da. Ah. So we have so many beautiful bags here. Richard, point one so that they can get it down so we can get to see. These are for girls. Yeah. And they have 10% robot, Richard. Ooh, great time to be here. The what? You already think about that? Daddy already thinking about having the ninja. Hey, you know, screaming. No, no, no. Wait a minute. Ooh, it's not heavy. Guck mal. It's very light.
Der leichte. Der Cloud.
Uh-huh.
This is Ninja.
Sollen wir mal einstellen?
Richard, give to her.
Not heavy.
Not heavy.
Noch nicht.
Turn around. Turn around, let's see. Whoa, portable. It looks so portable, Richard. That's great.
Kurz einstellen. Lass mal an. Komm her.
Schoolboy. That is gonna have 3 school kids.
Yeah. And then the fourth one.
Another 2 years.
Yes. 2 years.
3 years.
Two. Look like this. Two. Mommy, I want some those.
Mommy, that one is for you.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Richie needs also some.
It's cool.
Mommy, Richie needs also a bag for sport.
It has this incomplete shirt. You don't even need to buy it. Yeah. What's the sport bag? Ninja, go. This one is heavier. It's heavier. Too heavy for Richard. Check it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's too heavy for him.
Oh.
I told you. So you're lucky that you found this that is lighter. Imagine this is what we were coming for, and we end up with another one that is lighter. You want pencil? Now look at what they are all picking.
I want these. There's pencils
You want
inside.
this one right here. And let me get this for Ashley.
I want this one.
Ashley's gonna like this.
I want
Look
this
at that.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always tell him to follow me, but he doesn't like to follow me. Yeah, stop momming me. Or do you think we should get this for Ashley now? He wouldn't like it.
One.
That?
Thunder.
I think this is what he would like most.
Yeah.
Huh? What do you
I
think?
think so.
Yeah. Eh?
I
Look at
want
what you are
all
just
these.
picking heavily. Do you know how much they are? That you're just picking them one by one. What if one is €5? What's that?
4 compartments.
Milk. So do you think Ashley will like this? No.
Mommy, additional what?
No, Aria.
Ellen have one.
You
Mommy,
will not like this one.
Mommy, Ellen.
What's happening? She said she want a key holder. Meow meow. What about this one?
I want that one.
This one?
Mushroom.
Shut your daughter is too expensive.
Oh.
Do you know how much this thing? One costs €3.50.
Shiva. Konnichiwa. 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 Tuan foto one me at Liam. Look at it.